See you in the other side.
If we're in the south,
Ah.
we'd be spring.
Oh, gini bisa. Okay,
Wrong
tara.
family.
Maglakad na to. Dali.
Are we gonna go to the garden yet?
Yeah. We're going.
Okay, I'm going now. Bye. I went to our way.
Say hi. Hi. Hi.
Over here.
Hello. So,
Canada. US. Canada.
US, Canada, US, Canada. I'm going here.
Which side are you?
I'm going to US. Doesn't need passport.
For some reason, US does not have a border with Canada.
Ha? Ah, right pala.
Well, what do you mean right? Like in a geographical map, why would you say right?
What do you?
We are north, not that's south.
Yeah.
We're going north, geographically.
Day.
Kuya, kala ko you want to go here.
What's there?
Huh?
What's there? I said there.
Ah, there, not here.
No, there.
Yeah.
We just go open the gate. And close after. So that's what the instruction says.
Ha?
Kambak ko dili.
Ayaw nagpakambak.
Dili ka kambak ka na.
Tabi, tabi. Tabi.
Dali, dili ka mag-subscribe.
Di daw ko kaambak pa.
Hmm?
Di daw ko kaambak.
Di ba? Hindi mo kakaambak ko eh.
O balo.
Nito eh. Asa ang kuan? Ang map. Asa ang map?
Dali ka ako dire.
Na. Ano ra na kaya naka-hyperlapse na sa ano? Walking around the border of US and Canada. Unsa ka ni? That's his. It's a watchtower. That one. It's the bell tower. Oh, every 5 minutes during the warmer months, you may hear the mellifluous chimes of the Carillon bell tower. There's a heartwarming story behind how the bells got here. Cast in Carillon, England, in 1931, a year before the Peace Garden was dedicated, the 14 bells in this tower are memorial gifts from two sons to their late mother, the sons of Lady Army Sifton. Sifton was once a big name in Manitoba business circles. Purchased the bells in her memory for the First Methodist Church of Brandon, where they chimed for 42 years in the minster chime that you hear by the way. Yeah, that's the bell tower, and you have heard it.